Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through VS Code's snippets. Code snippets are templates that make it easier to enter repeating code patterns. Let's say if I hit LOG and the intelligence suggests me this is symbol of snippets. If I click on it, it gives me the whole line of code, console.log. VS Code has built-in snippets for a number of languages such as JavaScript, TypeScript, and PHP. You can see available snippets for language with the hotkey Control or Command-Shift-P to open the command palette and type in here insert snippet. If you click on this command, now we have all the available snippets. You can also search for extensions that contains snippets in the extensions view and click on this filter button, category, and here we have snippets. Click on it and you are provided with the available options. Let me close it now. You can also define your own snippets without any extension by command palette. Let me open it first with Control or Command P and type in here configure user snippets. It's right here. Click on it, select the language. In my case I'm going with JavaScript, and here we can place our own snippets. Here we also have a template that we can use to define our own snippet. Let's copy it and paste it here and uncomment it first with a Control or Command /. This print to console is actually a name of the snippet. Let me clear this out a bit. The capital T and console with capital C. Then we have this prefix. This is something, if I type just log here, it will give me the body. And in body we have this line of code. Let me delete it. And for more clarification, I'm going to change this log with log1. And the description describes this snippet. Hit save. Let's come to the main JS and type here log. Here we have our own defined snippet log1. Click on it and it's here. Let me modify a bit and I'm gonna type here a name. That's going to be Bob. Hit save. Let's try that out again with log1. Click on it and there you go. You can also create custom key bindings for this snippet. Let's open the command palette again with the hotkey Control or Command-Shift-P and type in here open keyboard and click on this first option, open keyboard shortcuts JSON. And here we can define our own hotkeys. I'm gonna put here some curly braces. Let's give a tab. And in here, first I'm going to define a key. The value of the key would be Control plus Shift, let's say L. This would be our combination of hotkey. And then I'm gonna give here a command. Command would be editor. Let me find if I have here editor insert editor.action insert snippet. Yes, it's right here. Click on it. Next we are going to define when, and the value would be editor text focus. And then I'm going to give a couple of arguments. The first argument would be name of the snippet. And let's go to our snippet. Print to console is the name of our snippet. Copy it and paste it here. Hit save. Now let's try that out by going back to our main.js and press here Control or Command Shift L, and there you go, it's working. Now let me change the name again. Let's say Mike. Hit save, come back to our main.js and press here Control or Command Shift L, and there you go, console log with Mike. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.